So welcome back to the Canadian Electrical Code Masterclass series with Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Tonight we're diving into 100 amp versus 400 amp panels, breaker sizing, load calculations, quick color your code book, and AHJ. Before we get started, smash that like button. It really helps push the live stream out to more electricians and apprentices. And if you're new here, hit subscribe plus the bell so you don't miss future replays and live code breakdowns. So again, we're going to get into why panel upgrades matter. Basically, it's when it's time to upgrade your service. A lot of times, if you have a 100 amp panel, it's going to be good to carry your basic loads and stuff like that. You shouldn't have an issue with upgrading to 400 amps. Let's face it, a 400 amp service is not an easy price that you're dealing with. Everything basically is pricey. It can be anywhere from, it comes to the 100 amp gain. It's always best to double check with the utility company. So again, as you guys come in, don't forget to smash the like button. It helps. It helps with the algorithm. And I'm going to I'm not going to play the video yet. Again, I'm going to be running. I'm going to be running some videos tonight. I'm going to be also referring to the code book also, and I'm going to be giving you my opinion a little on the topics that we'll be talking about. So briefly, for those who missed the start, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live stream. Helps with the helps to get it out into the open to the other apprentices out there, also to the other journeymen who are out there also. Helps with the algorithm. Again, we're getting into why is it what's the difference between 100 amp and 400 amps, why panel upgrades matter. And again, it matters when you start getting to heavy loads of stuff that are being used inside of the home. It keeps so again, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live. I'm going to be showing some videos. I'm also going to be using the referring to the code book. So I'm going to show the first video, and then I'm going to explain service upgrade.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. And for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure your notification is turned to all.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. As you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important. Also, you can share the video. You can also subscribe to the channel, and you can also become a member of the channel with the link being pinned in the comment section. Again, what I'm simply doing is preparing to remove this panel for a panel swap out. 100 amp to 100 amp. The new panel is going to be an Eaton panel, and the reason why I'm changing this panel out is because it's defective in the area where I am, the country where I am. It's a fire hazard, and also there's not enough space in the panel to do what I need to do with all of the new circuits that was brought in. So again, that's what I'm going to be doing right now. It's a panel swap out with the power being turned off from the hydro unit. So just stay tuned for the entire video, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. So again, hello and welcome back to the channel.
So again, as you guys come in, don't forget to smash that like button. Really helps with the to get my channel out into the open to more apprentices, more licensed electricians, master electricians. So again, just smash the like button.
Your cables and your circuits have to be labeled at the end of the job in order to have your inspection pass. That is the code rule, and there's no going around it. So again, just stay tuned for the entire video as I attempt to change out this panel without any issues occurring, any delays, so that the hydro can come back and turn the power on within the limited time that I have during the day. If I don't have this panel removed and reinstalled by the time hydro is ready, the customer will have to wait until the next jurisdiction to have the power turned on, or there's an extra fee that will be charged for the late fees. So always try to keep that in mind. So as you can see, I have limited space to work with. This panel is a lot smaller than the other panel. This was built in before I even did the panel swap out. So again, with very limited space to deal with, I have to make sure that I can get my new panel inside of the inside of this area. Obviously, I would have did the measurements according to the newer panel to the older panel, and it's going to be a pretty tight job. There's not much room for me to play with inside of this area right here. And also, as you can see, I'm simply going to be removing this panel and taking out all the wires from the side of the panel, making sure that my wires, my older wires that I took out, are already labeled for the reinstall of the cable. So this is normal procedure what I'm doing right now, which is to try to remove my wires as fast as I can. Again, I don't have much time to play with when it comes to swapping out the panel. Also, just keep in mind that with limited time, there's very few mistakes that can be made. Reason being, like I said, it's a power swap out, and if everything is not done accordingly, the power will not be turned on. I will have to fix the defect in order to have the panel turned on. So again, like I said, this is the older panel that I'm dealing with right now, and with the older connectors that was used, pretty much gives you
lot of problems when it comes to trying to change out the panel with those older connectors being screws and stuff like that on the other side of it. Very hard to play with. So for that reason, I have to take my time also to make sure that I do that. It's very important. I don't want to make my wires. My wires are nicked and it touches the metal. Once I reinstall my wires, then it can have a sharp in it of some sort. So always try to avoid all of these little stuff that comes with the trade. So again, just sit back and enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll catch you guys in between the
Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.
So hello, welcome back to my channel. And what we simply have right here right now is going to be the installation of my cables and so on. This is a 400 amp main disconnect fusible parallel feed being used. So hello again and welcome back to the channel. And again, reason why I'm installing this tape is because I have to identify my cable, which is the neutral that I'm trying to tape right now. 400 amp disconnect fusible is what's here right now. Reason being is because the panel is located more than a certain amount of feet from the meter base, and it is a code rule that states that if the panel is located more than a certain amount of feet from the outdoor meter base, you have to have a means of disconnect, and that's what's simply here. 400 amp fusible disconnect that's placed here, and reason being is, like I said, the panel is located on the other side of the home. Parallel runs is the set of cables that you will see coming in from the top, and that's going to be the line side. Bottom side is the load side. Always important to make sure that your grounding is tucked way on the back side, so there's no arcing when it comes to the main components also. And always make sure that the line and the load is not touching each other when it goes into the disconnect. So again, for all those who haven't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. You can also become a member of the channel with the link being pinned in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Hello and welcome back, my viewers and subscribers, and in today's video we're going to dive into the world of roughening and what it takes to pass inspection, and of course what it takes to prep my wires from injuries occurring to others. So in today's video what you simply have is running boards that I will be placing in the attic, required by code, and hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video.
So again, hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning
Also, you can
in to
share
today's
video. Also subscribe to the channel.
live stream.
You can also
What that
become
is
a member
a
of the
Electrician out
channel,
from the
being pinned
older
in
style
the
100 amp
comment section.
panel.
Again, what I'm simply doing is preparing to remove this panel for a panel swap out. 100 amp to 100 amp, the new panel is going to be a
So
different
again, the
panel.
reason it was
And the reason why
swapped
I'm
out
changing
is
this
basically
panel out is
because
because it's
it.
defective in the
I'm not sure why this is playing
area
slow.
where.
Okay. So again, sorry about that. Again, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. Again, as you come in, don't forget to smash the like button. And the swap out was basically due to adding wires inside of the home. And again, a lot of times when you add a lot of wires, you have to somehow upgrade to the 100 amp panel. A lot of times you can get away with it when you change out your gas. You add gas appliances such as stove, washer, I believe washer and dryer. You can change it to your gas appliance, and that will allow you to get the extra amperage that you actually need when it comes to the home. When I say the extra amperage is a 40 amp stove. Stove draws about 40 amps, a little bit less than 40 amps. Your dryer draws about 30 amps, and that's basically 70 amps right there. Much changing out to an actual gas stove and a gas washer and dryer. So that does help. So basically, when to upgrade to 400 amps, 400 amp service is mostly um, called for when you have a lot of appliances, not just appliances, when you have AC units, air conditioner units, especially if you have about 4 or 5 in the home. Also, the EV charger, um, when you have the gym, we have sump pumps. Um, those are motors when you have septic tanks, pools, hot tubs. To invest in a 400 amp service. Um, is it worth it? I think it's worth it for the individual who is getting it. Obviously, it's an investment. It's you know, it's going to give you a lot more money. It's going to give you a lot more for your money. Actually, you'll be able to add more stuff here and there as you go. Normally, when you have a to actually upgrade to do a lot of stuff that you want to do. So for that reason, the 100 amp panels that used to be installed years ago, you normally see about 125 to 150, depending on the home, and then you'll see the actual 200 amp that they're starting to install in some homes. I myself have run into them where the client has had uh, 200 amp service already, which is great. So again, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. Again, don't forget to smash that like button. Helps with the helps to get the content out into the out the world. Other apprentices, master electricians, journeymans. It helps a lot with the algorithm also. And so again, we're going to get into the load calculation, I'm going to just pull up. I'm going to pull up something with the load calculation. When is it best to calculate? I know for us we have to calculate the load all the time, especially when it comes to dealing with people's homes and stuff like that. We have to make sure that the load that's going in is actually what the panel is going to be equipped with. And also, I think the 8% rule, I believe, for that panel, um, we have to take into that also. So again, um, and calculating here. So I'm going to pull that up right now, actually, um, so you can have a look. Um, so again, as you guys forget to the live stream. I'm just trying to pull something here on the actual stream so I can show you guys. Okay, so I'm going to go back into the actual load calculation. What time is it? So again, I'm trying to just pull up the rule here when it comes to the actual So again, hello and welcome back to the channel. Sorry about that. I was booted out. So let's try this again. And again, I had it on the screen, but I'm not sure where it was cut off from. So again, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. Again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live, please and thank you. And what we have here is basically the maximum load calculations, the code rules on it. Um, as you can see, it says rear fuse switch or circuit breaker is marked for continuous operation at 80% of the ampere rating of the overcurrent device. The continuous load as determined from the calculated load shall not exceed the continuous operation marking on the fuse, switch, or circuit breaker. Use of demand factors in any case other than a service calculated in accordance with rules 8-200 and 8-202 when the design of our installation is based on requirements in excess of those given in the section, the service and feeder capacity shall be increased accordingly. When two or more loads are installed so that only one can be used at any one time, the one providing the greatest demand shall be used in determining the calculated demand, where interlocks are installed to prevent simultaneously operation of electric space heating and air conditioning loads, whichever is the greater load shall be used in calculating the demand. Where a feeder supplies loads of a such that the maximum connected load will not be supplied at the same time, the ampacity of the feeder connection shall be permitted to be based on the maximum load that may be connected at any one time. When a feeder or service supply motor or even by a qualified person shall be permitted to be applied to these loads in accordance with section with rule 2-030, and that is a section in the book that you should pretty much know. So I'm going to, okay, so we're going to actually go into that section right now. Trying to stay on track here. Again, also I'd like to thank you guys all for So again, as you can see, authority for rules by a virtue of the authority vested in the inspection department. This code has been adopted, and the inspection department hereby orders and directs its observance. Again, electrical contractors or other responsible for carrying out the work shall obtain a permit from the inspection department before commencing work with respect to installing, alteration, repair, or extension of any electrical equipment. Um, Again, I'd like to thank um, Kaleidoscope of Happiness for checking in to the live stream. Again, thank you again for the support. Um, so it goes on to say here, electrical contractors or others responsible for carrying out the work shall obtain a permit from the inspection before inspector. Fees for the permit. Fees for the permit and inspection in accordance with the schedules prescribed by the inspection department shall be paid at the time the permit is obtained. Posting of permit. A copy of the permit shall be posted in conspicuous place at the work site and shall not be removed until the inspection is completed. Notification of inspection. The inspection department shall be notified in writing by the electrical permits. Okay. Notification of inspection. I read that. Plans and specifications. Plans and specifications in duplicate or in greater number if required by the inspector department. One copy to be retained by the inspection department shall be submitted by the owner or an agent to commence on factories and other buildings in which public safety is involved, large light and power installation and transformers, switchboards, large storage, batteries, etc., or such other installation as may be prescribed by the inspection department.